Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the subject name is business environment. And today we are going to start a new topic of significance of the study of the business environment. This is the last topic of Unit 1. Unit 1 का last topic है. Start with the significance. The significance of the study of the business environment को हम need of the study of the business environment भी कह सकते हैं. And this question was asked in the last year question paper. So that question or topic is very important for the examination point of view. Now moving towards what exactly the significance of the study of the business environment. As you can see that the knowledge of the internal environment, the internal environment help the firm to identify the strength and weakness of the enterprise in terms of global development. What the business environment do business environment help the organization and help them to help in their global development by identifying their strength and weakness. तो business को strength and weakness बताकर global development में help करता है business environment की study. Second point is to analyze the external factor. Business environment importance is that, or significance is that it helps the organization to understand the external environment that help to identify the firm about the various opportunity and threat to the business. So it tells about the external forces or the external environment that provide opportunity and threat to the business. तो एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट से बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की स्टडी से बिजनेस को अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड थ्रेट के बारे में पता चलता है. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज अ डिसीजन मेकिंग. बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की स्टडी जो होती है इट आल्सो हेल्प द बिजनेस in taking any kind of decision. It could be related to the price making, it could be launching of new product. जब अलग अलग तरह के जितने भी डिसीजन मेकिंग होते हैं, ये सब डिसीजन मेकिंग इज बेसिकली टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. तो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को कंसिडर करके ही डिसीजन मेकिंग लिया जाता है. सो वी कैन से दैट द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट हेल्प द फर्म टू फॉर्मुलेट देयर स्ट्रेटेजी and after analyzing the competitor strategy. Now the next point is that proper understanding of internal and external environment. Business environment help the organization to understand the internal and external forces of the environment so that the business can adapt and enable itself and focus on the growth and expansion of their activity. So the business जो होता है वो internal and external forces के बारे में जान जाता है and then can easily adapt and adjust according to the change for their growth and expansion of their own activity. अपनी activity अपनी growth and expansion को कैसे बढ़ाए वो external और internal forces के basis पे अपना growth and expansion करता है. Now next point that is environmental understanding. Through the business environmental understanding, it enables the business to adapt itself as per the dynamic changes, condition and event of the environment. As you know that the business environment is keep changing. It is very dynamic in nature, and it condition and event of the environment keep changing. So the business environment studies help the organization to understand and to adapt it, help to adapt, help to adjust the business in term of changing environment. तो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की स्टडी से बिजनेस जो है वो अडेप्ट कर लेता है, जो चेंजेस आते हैं उसको इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है और इजीली एडजस्ट कर जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंज एनवायरनमेंट. तो अगर बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की स्टडी होगी देन ओनली बिजनेस कैन अडेप्ट इटसेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंज. Now next point that is a survival growth. For the details, by the detailed study of the business environment, the business can grow and survive in a long term way. So for the growth and survival of the business environment play an important role. For example, Reliance textile industry, we can take an example. Reliance textile industry is basically well known for the brand name of प्रोडक्ट विमल एक टेक्सटाइल ब्रांड नेम है जो रिलायंस प्रोड्यूस करती है. एंड देन विमल हैज अ continue to experience phenomenal success in terms of growth and profitability. Why the Vimal has achieve growth and profitability. This is because of the Reliance took advantages of the market need and opportunity and formulate their strategy so as to relate the product to the market context. So we can say that बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट में एक की स्टडी से बिजनेस जो है वो लॉन्ग टर्म ग्रोथ एंड सर्वाइवल कर सकता है. Now moving towards the next point, that is to understand the international event pressure and impact. As you know that modern economies are not closed. As we know that आज जो economies है वो close नहीं है. They are open up. They are engaged. They are engaged in international trade and cooperation. जो पूरी economies है, जितनी भी world economies है, वो सब अब ग्लोबलाइज्ड हो चुकी है और हर एक इकोनॉमीज डिपेंड है अनदर इकोनॉमिक्स में. सो इट और यहाँ पर इस वजह से यू कैन से दैट एवरी कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज अफेक्टेड बाय द इंटरनेशनल pressure regarding the economic, social, and political event, so that every business is affected by these global pressure, and therefore it is necessary to the study the international environment of the business. This study will help the business to grow successfully in the change scenario. So it is very important key to understand the international trend event and impact uh, को अंडरस्टैंड करने में भी बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल. Moving toward the next point, that is ensure optimum utilization of the resources. We can say that from the standpoint of the resources, the basic economic problem of the every firm is to just allocation of the resources and subsequent optimum production. So जितने भी resources है company के, money, machine, material are scarce resources, or therefore it is very important for the management or the company or the business to have thorough knowledge of the availability of these resources. तो ये से रिसोर्सेज जितने भी हैं इनकी थॉरो नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड इसकी नॉलेज बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट से पता चल जाएगी. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी फॉर द मैनेजमेंट टू यूज दिस रिसोर्सेज वेरी इकोनॉमिकली. इसको बहुत अच्छे से यूज करना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है मैनेजमेंट के लिए. फॉर दिस पर्पज इट इज नेसेसरी टू हैव द कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट. सो ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज तभी होगा when we have a proper knowledge of the all the resources of the company. और ये बेसिकली बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट की हेल्प से एक स्टडी से ही पता चल पाएगा. Now moving toward the next point, that is a reputation of the company. The management of the company is interested not only in building up its business but also build up an image and reputation of the company in the public mind. So this is very important that therefore the study of the business environment will help the company to economically friendly and will avoid such policy which affect on the public safety and public goods. So reputation of the company के लिए भी बहुत important है business environment की स्टडी से रेपुटेशन ऑफ कंपनी मेंटेन होता है. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज अ कॉर्पोरेट प्लानिंग एंड बिजनेस पॉलिसी डिसीजन. Whenever the corporate planning and business policy decision the business has to take, then they have to consider first the business environment. So we can say that in a way ki environmental analysis is very important step towards the corporate planning and business policy. तो इन्वायरमेंटल एनालिसिस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है व्हेन वी मेक कॉर्पोरेट प्लानिंग एंड बिजनेस पॉलिसी डिसीजन. सो कॉर्पोरेट मैनेजर होता है वो ऑलवेज एनालाइज द स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड थ्रेड so that they which exists in their in organization. So the SWOT analysis is basically done by the corporate manager, and this SWOT analysis is help to taking a strategic and tactical decision by the management. ये SWOT analysis की मदद से corporate planning और business policy decision can be taken. Now moving toward the next point, to adjust with the technological advancement, we can say that the present era is basically devoted to the technical changes and the advancement. आजकल का जो environment है that is a totally technological base, and technologies keep changing. So it is very necessary for the business to have a complete knowledge of the new technology, new technique, new design and new product for incorporating these इन इट्स एक्टिविटी. और ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी को अपनी एक्टिविटीज में अपने प्रोडक्ट में लॉन्च करना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टेक्नोलॉजी के एडवांसमेंट के लिए एडजस्टमेंट करना भी बिजनेस के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. द फर्म विच क्विकली अडेप्ट टेक्नोलॉजी, quickly adapt latest technology will have a competitive advantages of the other. you can say that जो भी फर्म इजीली टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट को अडेप्ट करता है, देन द फर्म कैन बी गेट द सुपीरियर पोजीशन विद देयर कॉम्पिटिटर। तो अपने कॉम्पिटिटर से सुपीरियर पोजीशन पा लेता है अगर वो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट करेगा। देयरफॉर द नॉलेज ऑफ द लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट हेल्प द बिजनेस। सो वी कैन से दैट बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट की स्टडी से हमें टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट के बारे में पता चलता है, एंड दिस टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट help the business in a long way. There are some other benefits like development, expansion, diversification, modernization, and overall success of the business directly related with the environment. Here you can see the diagram. Internal business environment and external business environment totally impact the business performance. Now moving towards the conclusion part. Unit 1 may what we have studied, I am going to conclude it. We can conclude it that there are the strong relationship between the business and environment, and business progress and success and survival largely depend upon the capacity and ability to adapt successfully to the environmental change. तो जो भी business environmental change और environmental change और event और condition के according अपना आपको adapt करेगा, adjust करेगा, वही business long way में survive and success achieve करेगा. So this is all about the today lecture. Thank you, my dear student.